Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Let's take a close look at the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe. Clearly I'm way behind on this, but in case you run into this video, here's a newbie collector's take on the Jordan 1 Royal Toe. I like this colorway. The blue reminds me a little bit of the Fragment ones. Yes, the color blocking is different, but I'm still calling this the poor man's Fragment ones. If the Electro Orange Jordans copied this color blocking, I bet more sneakerheads will be happy with it. The leather quality is alright. I think the best one I've seen this year is the Patina Jordans. Yes, the leather on those is just ridiculous. And yeah, I'm well aware that I'm new to the game and you old heads can name better ones. But for the 2021 releases, the Patinas have the best leather feel. Style-wise, it's a straightforward wear. I think this colorway will just go with anything. As long as you don't go too crazy on the color pairings, you'll be alright. It's mainly black and white, really, with some color hits of the Fragment blue. Reviewing this now, not really sure why I got it in the first place. Other than it's very easy to wear, it's kind of boring now that I have it in hand and had a closer look. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.